Hello everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. My name is Rebecca, and if this is your first time visiting, then do please just take a quick moment now to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up to date with all of my crochet videos and tutorials. This one is just another crochet inspiration video, and I've decided to start doing these as and when I finish projects so that I can show you exactly what I've made and tell you the yarn and things like that as well, because I don't always have a new tutorial to upload, so I thought sharing things I'm making from older tutorials would be useful and hopefully inspire you as well. So this beautiful rainbow granny blanket, so let me just hold it up a little for you so that you can see the detail in this one before I talk about it too much. So I'm hoping the colours pick up on the camera. They're really deep sort of jewel colours. I really like these colours together. So I've used all Shapey's Colour Crafter DK for this whole blanket. So the pattern itself is just the Whirly Modern Baby Blanket pattern. However, I didn't use any of the border tutorial. I just used the main body of the blanket and the main part of the pattern to create this whole blanket. So you can see I've started just with the beautiful cream colour. I'm hoping you can tell, but it also has a really slight sheen to it, which is really pretty. And I used 2 balls of the cream, so 2 balls total for the cream. And then as I got to a certain point, I just started adding in single rows of colour. So it's the exact same pattern, the mix of the solid and the traditional granny, and then I've just alternated the pattern with the colours. So I will leave a list of the colours here, and I will also leave a list of them in the description box. But I only bought 1 of each colour, and I still have quite a lot of each colour left to go. But I'll probably just work them into another project. So I did 1 round of each of the colours, so there was 5 colours, and then I did another couple of rounds of the cream to break it up, and then I repeated colours again, and then added a final round of a beautiful crab stitch just to finish it off. So I didn't use any of the border for the Whirly Modern Baby Blanket. I just, as I say, used the main body pattern and then finished off with a beautiful crab stitch. And I just think it finishes it off nicely without it being anything too jazzy or too frilly. And this beautiful blanket is due to be posted tomorrow to a wonderful, gorgeous, special little baby boy that I will hopefully get to have snuggles with at some point once all this is over. And I really hope that the family like the blanket. I really hope they do. The blanket measures approximately 90 centimetre square. I could probably get it a little bit bigger if I wanted to by blocking it, but it's perfectly square now and I'm super happy with it, so I won't be blocking it. I will just be sending it as it is. So that's it for this one. As I say, all of the information that you will need to complete this blanket will be in the description box: the yarn colours, the yarn amounts, and the step-by-step tutorial for this rainbow modern granny blanket. So I hope that you will join me again soon for another video, but that is it for this one, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.